Hello everyone, we are Group 4. My name is Oisin Leaf and my teammates are Visit Botison and Suthi Khon. Our project is Expenditure System. The system allows users to keep track their spending by noting down their expenditure into the system and it will do the calculation for users. Moreover, the report and pie chart will detail users' expenditure. Here is the introduction page. So now let's go to home page. This is our home page. As we can see here are the expenditures. We already have some data in our database. The home page has two buttons. The first button is add button and it brings us to the new transaction page. This page allows user to add new transaction to the database. Now let's go back by click this button. The second button is report button. It brings us to report page. And this page shows us the total expenditure of the user. And now let's go back to home page and my teammate Visit Boti will talk more about the add button.
Hello everyone, my name is Richard Botison. So as you can see at the home page, we already have some data stored in our database. These are each of our expenditure. You can see here we have spent 12.2 on this date and on the category which is food, and the second expenditure we spent 5.12 on this date and the category is on lifestyle. So let's add a new expenditure. Let's go to add, take us to the new expenditure page, the amount, date and the categories. Let's say we spend $5.25 on say 12 or some random days and random years, or you can click here and pick the date, or you can click on this button which today date and let's pick a category. Let's spend that amount on food and let's submit. Okay, it's successfully added to the database. Now let's go back to home and see, here it is, the amount that we just added. It's 5.25 on this date and the food. Now let's go back. For example, if we enter the amount and we forgot to fill in the 2, when we click on submit it will say incorrect input. So let's go back, and if we didn't put anything at all, we just click on submit and we just say incorrect input. Now let's go back to the home page and see here, as you can see, there's no other expenditure added because it's incorrect input, so it won't be added. And now my teammate Soti will talk more about the report page.
Okay, so now we are going to explain you about the report page. So click on report button will bring you to the report page. This is the most important page of our system because it provides users all of the data of their transactions. And the reason we choose pie chart is we believe that pie chart is better representations of our data. And as you can see in the pie chart, it's the total sum of each category with percentage. For example, as you can see, the user spent $52.45 on food, which is 16% of all their total spending. And on the right hand side, as you can see the details, we have 5 features. The first feature is total expenditure, which is the total sum of user spending. The second and the third features is average daily spending and monthly spending. The two features we haven't implemented it yet. And moving on to next is most spent on feature. It shows the categories that the user spend on the most. So as you can see, which is entertainment. As you can see on the pie chart, the entertainment takes about $102.5, which is 31.3% of all the total spending. And the next feature is least spent on. It shows the category that the user spent on the least, which is transportation. So on the pie chart, you can see transportation costs only $12, which is only 3.7% of the total spending. Okay, so now we going to test the most spent on features. So we go back to our home page and then click on the add button. So we're gonna add amount, let's say $200, and then we select today dates and we choose category transportations. We submit. So there is a message say that our data is successfully added to the database. So click on home. So then you can check it's successfully added. So then we can click on our report button. Okay, so now you can see before we add the $200 to transportation, you can see the most spent on is on entertainment, but now it's changed to transportation, which used to be the least one. So now the transportations increased to $212, which is 40.2% of the total spending. And the least spent on used to be transportation, and now it changed to lifestyle. Let's see lifestyles. Okay, lifestyles take only 2.9% of our total spending. And also notice that our total expenditures also increased from $327 to $527.7. So that's the end of our demo, and thank you for watching.